Overwatch 2 players, we've all been there. You log in, ready for some action, only to be met with an endless queue 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe even an unknown wait time. And you also get issues like 30 players in queue or 30 players ahead of you, and even getting kicked out from middle of a match. What is going on? Well, let's break it down. Blizzard has officially acknowledged that queue times have been a major issue for many players. Whether you're in quick play, arcade, or even competitive, you might find yourself waiting way longer than expected. So, what's causing these frustrating delays? Blizzard has officially acknowledged that queue times have been a major issue for many players. Whether you're in quick play, arcade, or even competitive, you might find yourself waiting way longer than expected. We can see so many reports on Down Detector about these issues. So, what's causing these frustrating delays? One reason for long queue times is the wide group play feature. If you're grouping with friends who are more than 5 skill tiers apart, you get placed in a special matchmaking queue to find teams of similar ability. While this keeps games fair, it also significantly increases your wait time. So if you're in a mixed rank squad, be prepared for a longer queue. Another possible culprit? Your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to matchmaking delays. If you're on PC, try troubleshooting with Blizzard's recommended steps. Console players, you might need to check your network settings. Speaking of consoles, there are a few unique issues affecting PlayStation, Xbox, and Switch users. One of the biggest, crossplay settings. If crossplay is turned off, you're severely limiting the player pool, meaning longer wait times. Another issue, cached data. Corrupted trial data on your console could be causing matchmaking delays, so try clearing your local save data. And here's something you might not have thought of. Your console's reputation system. If you've received reports or negative feedback on your profile, the system may group you with lower reputation players, extending your queue times. If this might be the case, check your console's support site for more info. So, how can you reduce these long queues? Here are a few steps to try. Check your internet connection. A stable connection helps speed up matchmaking. Avoid extreme skill gaps in competitive. If you're queuing with friends, try to stay within 5 skill tiers of each other. Enable crossplay. If you're on console, keeping crossplay on will widen your matchmaking pool. Clear your cache. Delete local game data if you suspect corrupted files. Check your console reputation. If your reputation is low, improving your standing might help. While Overwatch 2 queue times can be frustrating, understanding the causes can help you work around them. Hopefully, Blizzard continues to optimize matchmaking for a smoother experience. Have you experienced crazy queue times? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Overwatch content.